Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your Motorola Razr 70 Ultra 5G. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the case. It's very important because if your case is covering the bezel, which is dark part of between the screen and the side of the phone, then what you guys want to do is basically remove it because it will either be unresponsive or it will have just some random taps on your device. So we don't want it. Of course, we want to make sure that it is good, and make sure to not remove screen protector if you got warranty because it can easily void your warranty and we don't want it. Now what are we going to do is we're going to clean our screen to remove any debris, moisture and fingerprints. So we got a microfiber cloth right here and we're going to give it a little bit of a scrub, and once we get rid of any moisture and everything, we should be able to just restart the phone to refresh the system. So press the power button, volume up button, and tap on restart. Now once you tap on restart, the phone will start restarting, and that's basically what we're waiting for. So we're waiting for our phone to turn back on, so I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now after the restart, what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the settings app, and here in the settings app we want to scroll down, and here we want to click on the system updates, check for updates, and we want to update our software to fix any touch glitches. So I got the latest version, but if you guys do not, then I recommend you updating. It is very important to keep up with the latest software. And that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.